Looking for a garage door company you can actually trust? At True North Overhead Doors, we're born and raised in Alberta and proud to serve our local community. With over 14 years of experience, Kevin handles everything from new doors to repairs and replacements, making sure it's done right the first time. And every job gets inspected by our quality control supervisor, Goose. That's right. Kevin's dog Goose travels to every site to make sure you are left happy. True North Overhead Doors, proud to serve Calgary.